Welcome back to my channel, dear friends. Today we are going to learn another lessons. Are you ready for it?
Hey!
Today we are going to learn digraph. A and I together makes letters A. Now we are going to make words with A. A. Rain. Again. A. Brain. Again. A. Brain. Dear friends, read after me. Brain. Snail. Snail. Dear friends, read after me. Grain. Again. Grain. Dear friends, your turn. Grain. Rainbow. Again. Rainbow. Snail. Snail. Maid. Maid. Again. Maid. Sail. Again. Sail. Train. Train. Dear friends, your turn. Train. Pain. Pain. Thanks for watching. For getting more new videos, please subscribe, share and like my videos.